Hiya folks, Lone Wolf here again. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you watched some of my videos earlier on, when I first had the Suzuki GSX, GX, you'll notice that it come with some bits already on it. The one piece of equipment on it already was a Puig touring screen. Now, when I tried the touring screen out, it is a brilliant piece of kit, don't get me wrong. It was absolutely fabulous, kept the wind off you, everything like that. But what I did find was that I was looking through the screen all the while. I'm only short, and it seemed to be up here, and I was looking through it. And what I really noticed was that when it was raining, or even worse than that, just mizzling the rain, the screen got misted, clouded over. So it did take off part of your vision. You can get over that. If there was any road muck on the dirt or anything like that, it got misted over, it was brown. I mean, I went out on one ride and it was like a piece of brown paper in front of me. It was covered up that much. But I can't fault it for doing what it's supposed to do, which is keeping the wind off you, and it'd be ideal if you was banging down the motorway for hours. So I thought, right, what shall I do? Done a bit of research, had a look around, and I set my mind on what I was going to get. I did all the research, checked everything out, read the reports, had a look at you guys on Facebook and stuff like that, and some on the YouTube, and I come up with this. So as I say, I come up with this. It's an MRI screen. It's an expensive one. It's the one with the foil, the aerofoil on the top, already built onto the screen. I have had these in the past. I had them on a GX mad, GS mad. I had them on a GS early on, one of my 1200 GS's, and it was brilliant. And that one, I had to have the screen. The aerofoil was a clip on the top, and I thought this time, do it properly. Going to do it once, so I went for the top range, the top of the MRI screens for the Suzuki GX, and that's this one. And as you can see, it's a lovely piece of kit. I'm just trying to get out the sun's glare here for you. Now, I went out on it the other day. It's in one of my videos, probably Carsington video, the first time I tried it. And it was absolutely brilliant. I've got to be honest, I was absolutely gobsmacked with it. It kept the wind off, there was no buffeting, it was clear air. Even in traffic behind cars and that, where normally you get battered a bit, I was getting nothing. I get a bit of stick on the dual carriageway and down the A50 up 70 plus, and it was fine. So I've decided that the aerofoil will stop exactly where it is, and that'll do it for me. Now, fitting it is easy, unless, of course, you're the lone wolf and you've got someone else in place. Well, what I got is this Evotech. You can just see it in there, can you? This Evotech. It's the mount for the Aoocci C6 Pro. I'm trying to get out to the sun here, so as you can see. But anyway, as you can see, the Evotech. That's a brilliant holder for the Aoocci. So what happens is, if you can look inside here, and so maybe zoom in a bit, give it a bit of zoom. If you see at the top, there's a spacer bar, and that spacer bar, when I put it on, the screws weren't long enough. And I was worried that if I'd have just put longer screws in, it might have tipped it out of sync. So what I did is I trimmed them down a little bit. I basically trimmed them down the width of the Evotech bracket, so they should come in line with how they should have been. But as you can see, worked out pretty well, to be honest. I'm really impressed with it. Really impressed with it. As I say, and from behind, Let's have a get round here. And if you look from behind, although I've got the sun on me, it ain't too bad. It's not massive. The Puig was much taller, and it was a lovely screen for the summer, but once you get any rain on it, was naff. So that's a little mod I've done anyway. So that's the screen sorted. Right, while I'm on, I'll show you these. You also remember I did my early videos, I'd got these, I'd put some spotlights on that I found in my garage that I'd had years ago. But I've changed them because one was playing up, and I put these in. I've had to make the brackets to suit because nothing fits, as you know. These come off eBay with just them and a little bracket, but they was too far in, so I made these brackets to fit out here. So a bit of bonus for you there, folks. 2 in 1, 2 in 1. Right then, so that's a couple of mods I've just done on the bike. Sun's shining, I should be out today riding, but I'm out tomorrow anyway. So it's a Lone Wolf saying bye for now. Don't forget, tick, like, subscribe. Channel's growing bit by bit, just gone past 3,000 subscribers, so I can't complain, can I? Still short to me 4,000 watch hours, so come on, watch for just a little bit longer, get me to these 4,000 hours. But I can't complain, things are going great, bike's great, sun shining, I'm out tomorrow, what more can a man want? So it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now, and don't forget, just be careful out there. It's Lone Wolf, bye for now.